video. Hello everyone, hope you all are well. Let's start articles, the first chapter from your practice book. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite articles. Indefinite we have already discussed, a and an with the vowel sound we use, an with the vowel sound we use an, and with the countable singulars we use a. And let's coming to the used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know. Means when the situation is being clear to the speaker and the listener, means the object is on the table, the book is on the table, the listener and the speaker both knew about this. And if the speaker is asking the listener to give it to him, that means the object is clear to the both, so then we are using the before the nouns. Next, used when we mention the object again. The movie is based on a real life incident, means we have before it we are giving the name of the movie, and then we are telling that the movie is based on a real life incident. Means before this we have already discussed, we have mentioned its name. Okay, then we have used before plural countries or other plural regions and bodies of water. Means bodies of water, it can be the river name, etc., or the countries, plural countries or plural regions and bodies of water. Plural mean to say like United States of America. Okay, United States of America. Usually if we are using only America, then we are not using the. But if we are writing the USA, the United Kingdom, the United Kingdom is being used, it means then the countries, plural countries, United States, then we are using the before it. Okay, and before the rivers, bodies of water, mountain ranges, etc., that also we are using the. Used before certain adjectives to give a plural meaning. Now here the adjective is being given rich, and it is also giving a plural meaning. Okay, rich will not be a single one, और बहुत सारे अमीर लोग होते हैं, so it is giving the plural meaning, the rich. A rich man is another thing. A rich man, then man will be a single one, but if we are writing rich, it is for the whole. Okay, कितने भी rich लोग हैं. For the plural if we are using, then the rich. Okay, let's coming to the slide now. First slide we have worksheet 1. Read the passage given below. Try to understand the use of a and the. A and the are articles. Articles are used before nouns. For example, a boy, the moon, a person, the magician. Means a boy, which is common in sense, a boy. Moon, that is a particular one, that is a unique one. Moon के जैसा और तो नहीं आपने कुछ देखा. Moon is a single one, that is a unique one. So the moon. A person, common thing. The magician, so magician will be the special one. Okay, so then we will use the, means with the proper words, proper nouns we are using the. In the sentences given below, fill in the blanks using a or an. My father is dash honest man. Honest. Now you have to see the vowel sound. Earlier also I told, vowel sound we use an. My father is an honest man. The pronunciation of honest is honest. The sound is not her. Honest नहीं कहते हम. Honest. The sound with which this noun is being started pronouncing then that sound it is to be considered. Then we use an with consonant sound. He is very rich, still he drives old. Old car means O, that is understood. That is vowel sound is there, then we are using an with it. There is a lake in the park near my house. Would you like a cold drink? A means A, we are pronouncing it as A. Okay. Let's coming to this slide. Let's see. Here these are the vowels in Hindi. Means you are speaking as in Hindi स्वर. Okay. इनको हम स्वर कह के बुलाते हैं. These are the swars a, I, u, a, o, ang. So these are the sounds that you have to consider in the vowel sound. Suppose we are writing European. The word starts with E, but E is a vowel, but while we are pronouncing it, E, U, R, O, it is being pronounced as European. So your sound is then there, then we are not using with it and we will use a with it because consonant sound is there. So if you are being puzzled between the sounds, then you have to just keep in mind these all the swars, these vowels of Hindi in your mind. These sounds just you have to see. A, I, u, a, o, ang. These are the sounds with which it is being started that you have to follow. Okay. With these sounds we use an. Otherwise we are using with the singular noun a. Clear? Let's coming to the next page, that is, let's see. It was dash hour long ordeal. Now you came to know that what are the use of a or an. Clear? It was dash hour long ordeal. Hour long. I am not speaking her. R. R means the sound is a. An hour. Clear? I am reading an excellent book. It is about a scientist who needs umbrella. Umbrella, with umbrella we use obvious an. A sound is there. Who needs an umbrella when it rains? It's a delight to get wet. One-eyed man. Now 8. Let's see this 8. This is very important. Dash one-eyed man. Here one is the O is the wall, but the sound is V. V was there in the swars? Not at all. So we will use with it a. A one-eyed man is not eligible to get a driving license. Of all the shopping you have done, I see only this book as a useful thing. A useful. Your sound is there again. Useful. Your sound, consonant sound is there. Then we use a over there. A useful thing. Dan is dash European settled in India. European. So your sound is there. Dan is a European settled in India. What you notice about your choice between a and an? The choice between a and an is determined by the initial sound of the word between which they are, sound of the word before which they are placed. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound that have already discussed. Now you have the example also. Let's come into the worksheet. Write the correct article a or an in the following blanks, or put this sign where it is not necessary. This is your homework now. Okay, let's try to do it by your own. Okay, without taking the help of others. Do it by your own, otherwise you will also get the answer key. Don't worry. Articles are not used before uncountable nouns, because beta uncountable which we cannot count, तो वो अगर हम weak form of one is using एक चीज़, तो जो काउंट ही नहीं कर सकते उनके साथ हम वन थोड़ी ना लगाएंगे, है ना. So unless we are talking of particular one, but if we are talking about the particular thing, then we will use the, but with the uncountable nouns we are not using articles. पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के साथ हम कह सकते हैं, और जिसकी बात हम पहले कर चुके हैं दोबारा से उसके बारे में मेंशन हो रहा है, देन ऑल्सो वी यूज़ द. नेक्स्ट वी हैव वर्कशीट 4. Column A and column B to understand the use of the. Okay, the first we have the man with the golden pen. Here you have to see in these column B which is to be matched. Before the name of a river, when a person or thing is unique, before the name of a mountain range, when we particularize a person or a thing, before the man, before the name of a country, that includes a common noun when we are talked about a person or thing before. Now this is the man with the golden pen, means it is being particularized. Okay, so fourth one, when we particularize a person or a thing, हमने उसको पर्टिकुलर कर दिया है कि वो आदमी जिसके पास गोल्डन पेन है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी हैव I bought a book. The book is about ghosts. I bought a book. The book is. Now when we have talked about a person or thing before, जिसके बारे में हमने बात कर ली है और दोबारा से बात कर रही हैं. I bought a book, एक बार बात कर ली बुक के बारे में. The book is about ghost. Again we are talking about that book, then we are using the. The United States of America, here with the before the name of a country that includes a common noun. बेटा कॉमन नाउन, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. अमेरिका इज़ द नेम, पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ दैट कंट्री. यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स हमने उसके साथ एज अ कॉमन नाउन लगाया है, with which we are using the common noun included to it, then we use the. Otherwise if America will be there, then we are not using the. Only with the country which having a common noun. USA, United States, the United States will be called the United States, but we are not talking like the India. इंडिया को इंडिया ही बोलते हैं, द इंडिया नहीं. बट with which the common noun is being used along with the United States of America. अमेरिका के साथ पहले नाउन आ गया ना, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, यूनाइटेड किंगडम, then only we use the. The president, when a person or thing is unique, B, column B में B, when a person or thing is unique, so we understand who or what we are talking about. ठीक है, प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो यूनिक वन होते हैं, एक ही प्रेसिडेंट होता है पूरी कंट्री में, ज़्यादा नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है. द ब्रह्मपुत्र, नाउ दिस इज ब्रह्मपुत्र इज द river, before the name of a river, one number. The Himalayas, before the name of the mountain range. Got? Let's come to the next. Here we have read the sentences and write in the boxes against them depending how the underlined articles the has been used. When a person or thing is particularized, when we have talked about a person or thing before, this is already discussed in this previous slide. Now this is your homework. What you have to do, the Kaziranga sanctuary is in Assam. Now this you have to see related to these 5 options with which it match. That number you will fill in these boxes. Okay, this is your homework. Next we have the next slide. Okay, read the sentences given below. Put a tick against the ones in which the articles has been used correctly and a cross against the ones in which it has not been. One example, Rohan loves the food. Rohan loves the food his granny cooks. Here Rohan loves the food. Normally we use Rohan loves food, but it is being particular. रोहन लव्स द फूड हिज ग्रैनी कुक्स. वो फूड उसको पसंद है जो उसकी ग्रैनी बनाती है. इट बिकम्स पर्टिकुलर. ओनली देन वी आर यूजिंग द विद दिस. With the first, Rohan loves the food, that is not correct, that is cross. Clear? Normally we use Rohan loves food, but the we are using with which is being particular. Clear? So next one more I'll tell you, and rest you will try by your own. The children were playing in center of the park. The children were playing in the center of the park. In the center. Now center is become the particular place of that park. So second will be the right answer and first will be the cross. Okay. So according to this you have to give the answers to it. Don't worry, you will get the answer key as well, but before that just try it to do. Here we have complete the following letter by writing correct articles a and the in the blanks. Dear Saloni, hi, I have just come back from dash exciting vacation. An exciting vacation in Belgaum. Okay, an exciting because e vowel sound is there. The city has changed. Now already we have talked about this Belgaum city. Again if we are speaking about this when we use the. Okay, the city has changed a lot in the recent years. अब recent years की बात हो रही है, particular years की बात हो रही है कि अभी के years, तो हम use करते हैं the. There are a lot of new buildings in the center of the city, because already we have talked about the city. Center becomes a particular place. Okay, I don't like the new buildings. उसके बाद और बहुत डेवलप हो गया, बहुत बड़ी न्यू बिल्डिंग्स बनी है. आई डोंट लाइक द न्यू बिल्डिंग्स. द न्यू, अब वो पर्टिकुलर बिल्डिंग्स हैं जिनको मैं पसंद नहीं करता. स्टिल आई फील फैसिनेटेड. आई हैव बीन टू बेलगाम बिफोर ऑल्सो एंड आई विजिटेड द प्लेसेस आई नो. मैं उन्हीं प्लेसेस पे गया जिनको मैं जानता हूँ, पहले से उनको जानता हूँ, वहाँ पर मैं दोबारा गया. तो इट ऑल्सो बिकम द पर्टिकुलर. इवन दीज हैव चेंज. एन ओल्ड फोर्ट इन द साउथ ऑफ द सिटी हैज़ बिन रिस्टोर्ड. द ओल्ड फोर्ट, नॉट एन. The old fort in the south of the city has been restored because it is a particular one, the old fort. There are now a lot of fast food joints near the central market. However, despite all the modernization, Belgaum's natural beauty is still intact. There are lots of forests and parks. You can escape from the city and feel you are in the countryside. And what's best is, in the evening there is so much to do. You have loved being there. Come with me next year. Lots of love. Okay, so this is the worksheet up till page 6. This is being done. So worksheet 8, this is the story given to you. in the jumbled form and you have to unjumble it. So this is the activity based worksheet, and this you will try by your own. And next thing, these are the these sentences taken from the unit People at Work in my English reader. Papa sweet for me, the little one would ask, and you will only have a kick, would come the angry voice of the father. How you shout at a little child, what does he know? His wife would protest. Here you could see the use of inverted commas, means who is speaking these words to the listener, and that will be enclosed in the inverted commas. So the use of these inverted commas are used to enclose the words spoken by someone. Here you should go to bed now, the matron said. Here you have to put the comma and inverted comma. So this is also activity based. Don't worry, you will get the answer key for this, and the rest all these are based upon the same. Yes, the missing inverted commas are there, and this will be given to you. Yes, this is do it yourself. This is your activity to perform, and hence this is the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.